This is my order from Not Polished. Hey everybody, hey nail tubers, and welcome to anyone new here today. As you can tell, I am so excited. I ordered this back when I was missing in action from my channel. It was during a time when my schedule was filled with a lot of overtime at work. That's right, I worked hard for the coinage so I could come up with things that I needed. I've been holding doing this video because I also wanted to put out at least some content first. As you can see, I've already went in with the clear, and now I'll be going in with purple white, by the way, which is a glow powder. Actually, for some reason I already knew to expect how it was going to look just from seeing it on the website. I'm crazy over the fact that it has that milky white look too. This one is topless and barefoot. This is the one for when you want that clean and crisp look. Wifey material. It's conservative and very appropriate for business. First nude. It has a natural blush tone. Saffron. I think it's an ideal color for ombres. Mauve About You. I chose this because I felt it best fitted my natural nail bed color. Sweet Fall. It gives me vibes of the changes in season from summer to fall. Wicked Mind. Ooh, child. Need I say anything? Big Lip, so rich and sophisticated. My Allure, the sparkle in this? Oh my gosh, look at that. Money maker. That's right, that's what I was doing. My Commitment, a beautiful bright green. Night Dance, a very mystic blue for the evening, but I believe this is out of stock now. Night Crawlers. I love this teal color, and it's a glow in the dark. So these are the colors that I ordered, and of course I have to top them off so that you can see them in their finished look. I can't even see this clear. I see straight through to the mat. Wow, that's some clear. I hope you enjoyed me doing the swatches of my not polished colors for you today. Now, I didn't order a whole lot because guess what? I have another haul coming. I've ordered from iGel Beauty too. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.